Hi, I'm Varnaz. Welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you an absolutely yummy recipe. I remember having this as a child and I never thought I'd be able to have it again on the low carb and keto way of life. But I managed. So today I'm going to show you how to make a creme caramel, or in some countries they call it a caramel custard. And I made my first batch and here is what it looks like. I wanted to show you up close and personal, and I'm going to even taste it for you right now. Look at the way it slices through, and here you have it. Absolutely amazing. The caramel on top, can you see the caramel on top? And smooth as silk. I think you're really going to love this. One more bite to show you how absolutely amazing it is. So, without further ado, let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's get started. Put a pan on your stove top and put the heat on and fill it in with 1/4 cup of water and bring it to the boil. And now to this we are going to add a sweetener. I've used xylitol and I'm putting in 3 to 4 tablespoons. I think 3 tablespoons should be good enough. And this is the caramel sauce that we are making right now. So it's going to be a 2-step procedure. The caramel sauce first and then the custard. So give this all a good mix on the heat such that the sweetener gets assimilated into the water. Just see that all the crystals dissolve. Okay. Now, after you brought this to a good boil, put in 1 big heaping tablespoon of butter. Drop it into the water and allow all this to cook. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to change color and become into a beautiful caramel sauce. Can you see all the bubbles and everything forming? That's the sweetener dissolving and creating a lovely caramel sauce effect. So give this a good boil. It will take you maybe 3 to 4 minutes to do this. And so at this point I'd love to tell you all that please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you help me grow. Okay, now that's the color of the caramel sauce that we are looking for, and this is after 3 to 4 minutes of boiling it on the stove top. Okay, now that's the consistency, because when this mixture cools it will solidify. So I just want to tell you that in the video I've used the caramel sauce while it was hot and put it into the ramekins, but you please cool it down, put it into the fridge and then put it at the bottom of your ramekins. I couldn't do that because of video recording. So now we are done with the caramel sauce and we'll begin with the custard. For this, put in 1 cup of cream into a bowl, and to this we are going to add again a sweetener, and I've used xylitol, 1/4 of a cup of sweetener. Taste the mixture of the cream and the sweetener together and adjust the sweetness according to what you like. It can be a bit more or less. I'll give this all a good mix. And to this now we are adding the vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Give it all a good mix, and like I said, the bowl is just placed on the stove top. It's not heating. This is all a room temperature mixture that I'm putting together. So crack in the 2 eggs and give it a good mix again. And yeah, that's about it for the custard. We are ready with our 2 steps to put them together. So take your caramel sauce and place it at the bottom of the ramekin. Like I said, if it was cold, then it would have congealed a bit and that would be much better. You would get a better color in the finished product. So place a tablespoon or so in each ramekin, and yeah, so this dish that I've placed the ramekins in, it should have some depth because we are going to put hot water into this main dish. So you can use a glass dish or any other dish. Okay, so now I'm putting in the custard mixture. This mixture made me 4 creme caramels. You can double the quantity if you are making more ramekins, and you can use any safe bowls, but see that the main dish in which you are going to place the ramekins has some height, because as you're going to see now that I'm going to put in some water to the sides of the ramekins in the dish. Please see that the water doesn't get into the dish, and bring the level of the water up to half the height of the ramekins. And now this will go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. You can keep watching it. Thank you.